Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming phone compatibility and cables before connecting the SSD. Make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or newer, and supports USB-C OTG. Use a USB-C to USB-C cable rated for USB 3, 2 Gen 2, and 1 meter long to preserve speed. Check the T7 Shield is formatted as XFAT for read and write access on both Android and Windows. If the drive uses NTFS, consider reformatting to XFAT after backing up important files on another device. Plug the T7 Shield into your phone using an OTG-capable USB-C cable and allow storage permission when prompted. Open Settings if the drive does not appear and enable OTG or connected device permissions. Avoid extension cables longer than 2 meters because they can cause power loss and speed drops. If the phone cannot power the SSD, use a powered USB hub or a Y cable that supplies separate power. After mounting, the drive appears in your file manager under External or USB storage. Use your phone's file manager or the Samsung Portable SSD app to copy files to the T7 Shield. Expect peak speeds up to 1050 MB/s on compatible phones, although practical speeds vary by phone thermal limits. For large transfers, keep the phone awake and close other heavy apps to maintain sustained write and read speeds. When copying completes, go to Settings or the notification that shows connected storage and tap Unmount or Eject before physically disconnecting. This prevents file corruption and preserves data integrity on the drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.